20 जुलयाक आझाद मैदानाचेर जाल्ले आंदोलन बेकायदेशीर आसा अशी कागाळ मामलेदारान केली। उपरांत ह्या प्रकरणात सुमार 1000 तरणाट्यांचेर कागाळ दाखल केली। या 1000 तरणाट्यां मदीं उजवाड एनजीओचे वांगडी अमरीन शेखाचे नाव आशिल्ले। हे फाटभुंयेर एनजीओचे वांगडी अमरीन शेखाक पुलीस स्टेशनात आपयले। या प्रकरणाची खोलायेन चौकशी केल्या उपरांत पीआयनूच ह्या आंदोलनाक एनओसी दिल्ल्याचे उक्ताडार आयले।
This Amreen Sheikh was called on account of a complaint being filed by Mr. Nilesh Salgaonkar, the Joint Mamladar 3 of Executive and Executive Magistrate of Kiswadi, stating that there was unlawful assembly. Based on that, an FIR was filed. After the FIR, we were called for inquiry. Basis the inquiry, it was showcased to the police. They took a statement asking what was the root of the protest, which was held on 20th. And it was confirmed that there is an NOC granted by the PI on the 20th. The SDPO had sought comments from the PI, and therefore there was permission granted by the PI. So there was no issues whatsoever. So this complaint was filed without knowing the facts that the PI had granted permissions. For only to find out whether there was any truth into that complaint, she's explained, showed all the permissions, given all the documents, and we've also given the latest judgment of the Supreme Court, which was pronounced yesterday, saying that no coercive action should be taken.